Leo and the Loud Bell. Leo loved school. He loved painting colorful pictures, building tall towers with blocks, and listening to his teacher, Miss Lily, tell exciting stories. One sunny afternoon, Leo was busy drawing a sparkly dragon. The classroom was quiet, filled with the soft sounds of pencils scribbling and pages turning. Suddenly, a very loud beep, beep sounded through the school. It was the fire alarm. Leo jumped. His heart thumped like a drum, and his hands flew to cover his ears. It was so loud. Miss Lily, with a calm smile, walked over to Leo. "It's okay, Leo," she said softly. "That's the fire alarm. It's a very important bell that helps keep us safe. Sometimes, if there's a tiny bit of smoke, or even if someone accidentally burns the toast in the staff room, the alarm tells us it's time to go outside," Miss Lily explained. "It's like a big, loud helper. When we hear the fire alarm, we listen very carefully to our teachers," Miss Lily continued. "They know exactly what to do to keep everyone safe. We stand up quietly and make a line, like little ducklings following their mummy duck," she said, making a wobbly line with her finger. "No running, just walking calmly. Then we walk outside to our special meeting point, where we all gather together," Miss Lily finished. "It's just practice, so we know what to do for a real emergency." Leo took a deep breath. He still didn't like the loud noise, but knowing what it was for and what to do made him feel much better. He joined his friends in a calm line. Soon, the loud beep, beep, beep stopped, and everyone went back inside. Leo knew that the fire alarm was a noisy but friendly helper, always there to keep him and his friends safe at school.